Lorenzo Dana. I'm Senior Manager of Physical Operations for BGF Consulting. Means I oversee the field service and product operation practices over there. Thank you for coming to the hangover slot for Summit. I assume that you all are actually very dedicated to field service if you're actually here. So truly, thank you. So we're going to be talking about field service mobile offline, right? Well, first, a little bit about me. Again, Senior Manager of Physical Operations. Prior to that, I was a field service solution architect. Been doing this. That seems both too long and not long enough. And prior before getting into Dynamics, I was actually owning and operating a small CPG firm of my own. I said no one does Dynamics on purpose; it all just happens to us. I know no one who studied this in college. We all just say, it's a difficult thing to implement. It's a good thing to implement. But what I want to talk about in this session is, what it is and how and why you should implement it, and maybe some considerations for why you shouldn't. That's very hard to get into a session if you put that in the notes. So if that's not what you're here for, I completely understand if you walk away now, but please do listen if you're going to be implementing field service mobile intent. So let's get a definition going. What do we mean by offline? What is field service mobile these days? This is the working definition I have. It's a Power App. It's a segment of the database, Dataverse database. It's meant to be used by a single individual, and it will eventually be synced back to the main database. So first off, what do I mean when I say using a Power App, right? So the Dynamics Power Platform is where you'll be making all of your changes to your mobile offline application. This is good. When I started delivering Dynamics field service, we had the RESCO application for doing field service mobile and for taking it offline. RESCO is still available. They still make a very good product, but in modern times, if you want to use field service mobile, you will be going into the make.powerapps portal and doing all of your edits there for field service mobile.